Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to fix the small solar lights that many of us have in our gardens. Now, 90% of the time the lights aren't actually broken, it's just the batteries that have failed due to being overcharged and over discharged throughout the year, and they could be replaced at a fraction of the price of buying new. So I've just collected up all the lights in my garden, and the first thing to do is to just give them a quick inspection just to check that all the LEDs themselves are okay. If you notice any with water damage, like on these two here, then a battery change is unlikely to save them. So as we're going for a quick win here, I'm going to set these two aside and just work on the lights that still look in good condition. Firstly, locate the battery compartment in the light itself and undo the screws to expose the battery. Now, this is going to vary a lot from light to light, but should be relatively easy to spot. Once you're in, remove the old batteries and replace them with the new ones, making sure to buy the same type with the same voltage. As you can see, mine are AA's, nickel metal hydride and 1.2 volts. And I've gone with these replacements from Amazon, link in the description, which work out at about £1 each. These ones have got slightly larger capacity than the originals, but I wanted this so I can get a longer run time out of the lights once I've replaced everything. Now at this stage, you can just put the batteries straight into the lights and the solar panels will charge them. After the new batteries are in, replace the cover, do up all the screws, and put the lights back together again. At this stage, make sure to give each of the solar panels a good clean so you can get the most efficient charge possible once you put them back out. And that's it. Put all the lights back in your garden and enjoy another few years of illumination goodness.